The law of oneness is a simple yet profound idea. It tells us that everything in the universe is connected. We are not separate from each other. We are not separate from nature. We are all part of one giant web of existence. Imagine a spiderweb glistening with morning dew. Each droplet reflects the world around it. Each strand connects to another, forming an intricate pattern. The law of oneness suggests that we are like those dewdrops, seemingly separate but reflecting the same universe. We are also like the strands, interwoven into the fabric of existence. This concept is not new. It has been around for centuries, whispered by ancient sages and celebrated in spiritual traditions worldwide. From the heart of Eastern philosophies to the wisdom of indigenous cultures, the law of oneness has served as a guiding principle for understanding our place in the cosmos. It reminds us that our actions have consequences. What we do to others, we do to ourselves. What we do to the planet, we do to ourselves. This understanding is not just a philosophical concept, it's a call to action, urging us to live in harmony with ourselves, each other, and the natural world. Journey back in time, and you'll find the law of oneness woven into the fabric of ancient traditions. In Hinduism, the concept of Brahman speaks of a single, universal soul. It is the source of all creation, the energy that flows through everything. Imagine a vast ocean, its depths holding the potential for countless waves and currents. Brahman is like that ocean, the unifying force behind the diversity of life. Buddhism offers another perspective with the principle of dependent origination. This teaches us that nothing exists in isolation. Every action, every thought arises from a web of causes and conditions. Think of a single tree in a forest, its roots intertwined with others, sharing nutrients and support. Dependent origination reminds us that we are all interconnected, part of a delicate balance. Indigenous cultures around the world also echo the law of oneness. Native American traditions, for example, often emphasize the interconnectedness of all living things. They view nature as sacred, a web of relationships to be honored and respected. Visualize a circle representing the cycle of life. Indigenous wisdom reminds us that we are part of this cycle, not above it. These ancient teachings offer profound wisdom for modern times. They remind us that we're not separate from nature or each other. We are part of something much greater than ourselves. The law of oneness is not just an ancient idea, it's finding new expression in modern times. The New Age movement, with its emphasis on spirituality and interconnectedness, has embraced the law of oneness as a core principle. Imagine a network of energy connecting all beings. New Age thought sees this energy as a unifying force, binding us together in a web of shared consciousness. Surprisingly, modern science also seems to echo the law of oneness. Quantum physics, the study of the very small, suggests that at the subatomic level, everything is interconnected. Particles can influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. This phenomenon, known as entanglement, challenges our classical understanding of the universe. Some physicists believe that this interconnectedness extends beyond the subatomic realm, suggesting that the entire universe might be a single unified field. Imagine a tapestry woven from countless threads. Quantum physics suggests that we are all part of this tapestry, interwoven at the deepest level of existence. The convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science is remarkable. It suggests that the law of oneness is more than just a philosophical concept. It might be a fundamental principle of the universe. The law of oneness is not just an abstract idea. It's a call to action. It invites us to live with greater awareness, compassion, and responsibility. Imagine a world where everyone embraced the law of oneness. How would we treat each other? How would we treat the planet? If we truly understood that we are all connected, would we act differently? The law of oneness can inspire us to become better stewards of the environment. Recognizing our interconnectedness with nature can lead to more sustainable practices, reducing our impact on the planet. It can also foster peace and understanding between individuals and cultures. When we see ourselves in others, compassion and empathy naturally arise. Moreover, embracing the law of oneness can benefit our mental and emotional well-being. Recognizing our interconnectedness can reduce feelings of isolation and loneliness, fostering a sense of belonging and purpose. The law of oneness offers a vision of a more harmonious and interconnected world. It reminds us that we are not isolated individuals, but part of something much greater than ourselves. By embracing this principle, we can create a more compassionate, sustainable, and peaceful future for all. Let us move forward with this understanding, weaving a future where the tapestry of oneness is celebrated, honored, and cherished by all.